helium in, then I can make my voice sound really high. Oh my gosh, guys, you should really try it sometime. Okay. Can I sound cool now? Am I cool? Am I cool? Am I? I've always wanted this much attention. I just never got it from my parents. You see, it really sucks being the middle child because you don't get any attention whatsoever. Ah!
That story.
Oh my gosh, we played such a good game tonight, ladies. I just wanted to say I'm proud of all of us, even though we lost. We did really, really well. Good job! I could do this all day. This is so much fun. Wow! Right. Play a really good one here. Ready? This is gonna be a really good one. I told you, right? Right? Someone tell a knock knock joke. Knock knock. Boo. Boo. Don't cry, it's just a joke. Oh my gosh, I'm almost done with the balloon! Guys! How is this recording?
I can't breathe. Oh,
Sweet Caroline, ba ba ba. Good times never feel so good.
so good! So good! So good! Oh no, she's almost
This
done.
is the last of the helium, so I guess I can't entertain you guys anymore. But thanks for all your attention anyway. It's gonna carry me over for the next year.
Say bye.
Bye.